What is up, Bladers, and welcome back to this week's episode of Roll for Beyblade. This week we are going to be using this nice black and purple dice set. So, let's begin. Will there be chaos? 13. There will be no chaos. So, for next video, we will be adding another d20 to the start. Alright, now we're going to roll our two d20s to determine what two blades we are using this week. Ooh, we are going to be using 9, which is Dran Dagger, and re-rolling this 9 because I only have one Dran Dagger. 18, Samurai Steel. Alright, we're now going to be rolling 2d8s to determine our ratchets. Purple will be for Dran, and the red-black will be for Samurai. Alright, for Dran we have a 3, which is going to be a 460. And for Samurai, we have a 7, which is going to be 260. Alright, to roll for our color for 460, we're going to be rolling a d4 to determine 1, 2, 3, or 4. That is a 1, which we are using the red and clear 460. Alright, we are now going to be rolling 2d8s twice to determine a bit for each. So this is going to be the bit for Dran. 3 and an 8. Let's see. That is an 11, which is, I want to say Spike. Yep. So we need to roll for color for that. And for our second bit, for Samurai, we have a 6 and a 2, which is 8, which we will be using Gear Flat. Alright, to determine the color for Spike, we are going to be flipping a coin. Heads will be yellow-green, and tails will just be yellow. Well, it landed on heads, so we are going to be using the yellow-green. Alright, we're now going to be rolling a d6 to determine our stadium. We've only had the Hypersphere Stadium from Beyblade Burst Rise, so I'm hoping for something new. 2. The Hypersphere Rise again. Alright, and we're now going to roll a d4 twice to determine our launcher. That is a 2 string launcher. Alright. And for our second launcher, a 2 string launcher. Alright. Alright, we are here at the Hypersphere Stadium with our 2 string launchers. Here are our combos. Dran Dagger, 460 Spike, and Samurai Steel, 260 Gear Flat. Before we begin, I will like to say that there are some changes for when we use burst stadiums now. We are only going to be going to 3 points instead of 4. As always, since there are no extreme finishes, there will not be a way to get extreme finish points. But now, an over finish is going to count for 1 point, a spin finish is going to count for 1 point, and a burst is going to be 2 points. So, let's see who would win. Alright, after looking at the footage there, I did have to do an extra 2 battles, just because the first battle I did decide to count where Dran Dagger had sent Samurai Steel out of the actual stadium as an over finish. Normally I wouldn't do that, but I decided to. And secondly, on the second one where they both got sent flying out the stadium, they both got sent out at the exact same time, so I am counting that as a tie. However, our winner for this week's Roll for Beyblade is none other than Dran Dagger 460 Spike. Thank you all so much for watching. See you all in the next one, and remember, be safe and bay away.